Hello. It's sunny now. I have my drum, but my drum is also a box. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, there's a dog. Very nice dog. There's a chicken. I like chickens. And there's a pig. And who's this? Another dog. Put the pig there. A rabbit with long ears. A lovely rabbit. And a cat. A very nice cat with green eyes. He's lovely. Do you like cats? I'm going to draw some animals. You can guess what the animals are. Right. First, I'm going to draw a circle. A circle. Then I will draw a triangle and two curves. 1, 2. 2 dots. What is it? Do you think it's a cat? It might be. Now I'll draw a point and a point and some whiskers. Yes, it's a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Right. Now I'll do another drawing. I draw a circle and an oval and 2 dots. Then a curve, 2 more dots, and what is it? Yes, it's a pig. P-I-G. Pig. There, that's 2. Now, I'll do another picture. There's my circle. Now look, I'll draw a point there, and a dot, and look. What is it? It's a chicken. It's a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. There. Now then, I draw another circle. Circle. And then a small circle. 2 curves. And look, 1, 2, 3, and a line there. 2 dots, 2 eyes. Now what is it? 1, 2. Yes, it's a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. There. One more. Draw a circle. My circle. Then draw half a circle, half a circle, triangle and 2 curves, and there's 2 eyes. What is it? Yes, it's a bear. B E A R. Bear. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now then, come and see this. There, look. C-A-T. What is it? Yes, it's a cat. Now then. Look. P-I-G. What is it? Pig. A pig. Yes. Now then. Here. Look. B-E-A-R. What is it? Yes, bear. And there's a bear. R-A-B-B-I-T. Yes, rabbit. And there's the rabbit. There. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Chicken? Yes, it's a chicken. Very good. Yes, a chicken. Now, let's make some cookies. I've got my mask. I'm going to make some cookies. Now, to make cookies, I need some flour, sugar, some cocoa, some chocolate chips, and some butter. But first, I have to wash my hands. I need the butter and the sugar. And I mix them together. There. Now, I add the flour and the cocoa. Then add the chocolate chips and mix with a spoon. There we go. Right. Have my baking tray. Take some mixture, put it on the tray and flatten it. There. Now I put it in the oven. Open the oven door. Oh, it's very hot. Put in the cookies, close it, and cook it for 12 minutes. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There. The cookies are getting bigger. End. Now I'll get my cookies out of the oven. Oh, very hot. Very hot. Look! Look at these! Right, now then. I've got my cookie. I've got my milk. Let's see. Very chocolatey. Fantastic. Who's making that noise? It's a boy. He's playing the trumpet. Who's making that noise? Some girls are jumping. Who's making that noise? It's a baby with a rattle. Who's making that noise? Some people are banging lids together. Who's making that noise? It's a man. He's playing bells. Who's making that noise? The men are hitting dustbins. Oh, it's very noisy. Look, I've got a book. It's called Who's Making That Noise? Let's read it. Toot toot toot. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. They're playing with a train. Toot toot toot. It's the bear. He's playing the trumpet. Thud thud thud. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. They're going to play football. It's a chicken. He's jumping on a box. Thud, thud, thud. Rattle, rattle, rattle. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. We are drying our hands. It's a dog. Rattle, rattle, rattle. He's playing with a rattle. Crash, bang, crash. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. We're eating cookies. It's a pig. He's banging some lids together. Crash, bang, crash. Ring-a-ding-ding. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. They're reading a book. It's a cat. Ring-a-ding-ding. He's playing a bell. Bang, bang, bang. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. They're playing football. Bang, bang, bang. It's a rabbit. He's hitting a dustbin. Now, who could be making that noise? It's those noisy boys. Shout, scream, yell, shriek, cry, hoot. It was a good book. There was a dog in the story. I like dogs. Okay. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.